Good morning, friends. I'm going to review this Boya BY M1 microphone. Actually, this is my first review for any such item, but I want to give you a very genuine review of this product, because I bought this product after watching 4, 5, 6 reviews from different regions of the world. No doubt, this product is very cheap, very cheap if you want to do some work as a beginner, even if you are a professional. Like right now, I'm sitting at a distance of around 3 feet or so. I have tried it from 6 feet, 7 feet also. You can talk properly, you can talk at your convenience without going very loud about it and still communicate well. I'm not sure about the quality of voice, if it had changed because of this microphone, but the reviews which I watched were showing that this is the best product in the market. I will say that this is the good product if you are just a beginner. 2 reasons I will give you why I bought this product, because when I was looking for expensive items, I could not make my mind which product to buy, because I was not sure whether those products are compatible with my mobile phone, smartphone or DSLR. Like this microphone, I could not connect with my DSLR. If someone of you can guide me in the comment section, it will be very beneficial to me. But I still didn't return this item, because at least when I'm going for cycling, I'm able to do video recording without speaking very loudly about it. So I will show you that the things which I got in this box. You are getting basically this long this microphone, which I am right now pinned up on my shirt, and this is 20 feet long wire, and this small thing here, there are 2 buttons. One is for camera, one is off and smartphone. So when you are using it for smartphone, you have to keep it on off mode. And when you open this thing, you can put one small tiny cell in it and then use for your DSLR. But I tried and I could not get any voice in my DSLR. So right now I'm not able to use it. And one adapter, small adapter, which you can use for your while working with your DSLR or wherever it is required, and one small tiny pouch. I use this microphone for recording one of my cycling videos, for which the link I will give, and you can find out about the quality and then think about whether you want to buy this product or not. But let me tell you that this product is very cheap. So if you are a beginner, go ahead and buy it. If you are lacking resources, then definitely go for it. And if due to some reason you have not made mind which product to buy, then again, just to try it, you can buy it, like the way I have bought it. And this is my voice without the use of the microphone. So you can find out the difference and let me know, was there any difference or not. The only thing I could find out is that when I'm not using the mic, I'm not sure whether the voice is reaching or there or not, whether it is recording properly or not. So let's see, it has been recorded or not. So let me know whether you could find out any difference between the voice recorded at the same place with the mic on and without the mic on. Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.